Okay, Cameron. Cameron, what do you think is going to happen when we take this cup of water and we put this cardboard over it and then we flip it around so the water is on top of the cardboard? What do you think is going to happen?
Fall off.
You think the water's going to fall out?
Yeah.
Sissy, what do you think is going to happen?
I think I'm gonna go Cameron's guess too.
Okay, so we think the water's going to fall.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
I think it's just gonna rain down like little raindrops. Oh,
Little raindrops. Okay, so I'm going to actually be the one doing this experiment.
Oh.
So the water's filled all the way to the top, and we're taking our cardboard and we're putting it over, and then we're going to flip it over, and then I'm going to let go. What happened?
It's sticked.
It's stuck, right?
Mhm.
Why do you think that happened?
Because of the air stuck in it.
Because the air stuck in it? Cameron, what do you think?
Can I have that?
Well, why do you think the cardboard's holding the water?
Because you're holding on and it's still on.
Well, how do you think this stayed? How do you think it stuck to the cup?
Because it's made out of cardboard.
So you think because this cardboard is cardboard, that's why the water's able to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Cameron, so why do you think the cup and the cardboard stayed stuck together? How do you think the cup full of water upside down held the cardboard?
Because it's really heavy.
Because it's heavy?
Yeah.
So what it is, right? The air pushes on the cardboard and keeps it in place. That makes the water stay in the cup. So the air is pushing the cardboard up and it keeps the water in the cup. You got it?
Yeah. So can you make one?
So, Cameron, your hypothesis, your educated guess was that when we flipped the cup full of water with the cardboard already on top, that the water would fall out. So was your hypothesis true or false?
False.
False.